Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Morgan. I'm here today with your guidance lesson. Last week, we began talking about habit number 1, which is be proactive. And today, I want to talk to you about more about being proactive, okay? So we're going to start with talking about an analogy. I know the word analogy is a big word, but we need to understand what an analogy is. And it's like a word puzzle that compares two things. So, for example, I might say dog and then puppy, or cat and then kitten. Dog is to puppy as cat is to kitten. Brother is to boy as sister is to, what do you think? Brother is to boy as sister is to, that's right, girl. Tomato is to red as banana is to yellow. That's right. Chicken is to fork as soup is to spoon. Very good. So do you get the idea of what an analogy is? Well, today we are going to talk about some analogies to weather. So if I ask you to make an analogy of the sun, if you were thinking about your mood and the way you're feeling, what would you say if I said, okay, our 3 weather situations are going to be sunny and beautiful outside, not a cloud in the sky. Just imagine a beautiful blue sky with all the sun shining. Okay, that would be one. The second one would be a rainy day, kind of like we had yesterday, where it was just cloudy and rainy all day. And then the third one would be like a lightning storm. So I'm going to start you off with the sun. And I would say sun is to, what kind of mood do you think sun would go with? Would it go with happy? Would it go with sad? Would it go with scared? I hope that you're saying sun would go with happy, because I would agree with that. I think the sun makes everyone feel happy. It brightens our day, doesn't it? So sun is to happy. As rain is to, what do you think about that one? That weather yesterday, whenever you got out of school or when you were outside or you couldn't go outside because it was rainy. So rain would be to sad. And I think a lightning storm would probably be to mad, right? So we could kind of compare our moods during the day to weather using an analogy. Does that make sense to y'all? Okay, I hope so. If not, I bet your teacher can clarify it for me. So yeah, I want us to think about, if we are being proactive people, we can choose our weather. And if I say we can choose our weather, that means I'm thinking we can choose whether or not we're going to have a sunny day, we're going to have a rainy day, or we're going to have a stormy day, right? So we get to choose it. Nobody gets to choose it for us. So that's part of our proactiveness. Being proactive means I get to choose my own weather. And I'm not going to let anybody else's mood or anything anybody else says to me bring me down, because I'm going to have a sunny day. Right? That's our best foot. That's putting our best foot forward. That is the way that we're going to have our best possible outcome of the day, is to choose to have a sunny day. And if you make up your mind in the morning when you get up that you're going to have a sunny day no matter what, then you will, because you're in charge of you. Okay? So that is our lesson on Be Proactive today. I want you to think about that whenever you're feeling like somebody has said or done something to you that's upsetting. I want you to think about what weather you're choosing, okay? All right, y'all have a great day, and Miss Morgan will see you in the hallway or in the classroom or in the cafeteria. Bye.